open. Hi guys, I have to guys, this is ice pop.
You show it.
Ice pop.
The new?
Flavor.
Okay, you show it. You show it. Yeah.
Open my ice pop.
Okay. Oh.
Hi guys, here's the cup for cute size.
Inside.
Inside.
And 3 flavors.
3 flavors.
Strawberry,
Strawberry,
melon,
melon,
and pineapple.
pineapple.
Okay.
Open it. I will show you.
Introduce the flavor.
This is the strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay, what's the taste?
Yummy.
Taste a real strawberry. Tastes good.
It tastes milk.
There is milk. Okay. Oh, how about the others? Next.
Flavor is the melon.
Wow, it is.
It tastes melon. It tastes really good. Other one is pineapple flavor.
Let's taste it.
Taste a real pineapple. You must try it. Come and visit us.
Bye.
Now. Aice. That Ysac full ice cream.
Bye now. Aice Ice Pop.
Bye now, Aice Ice Pop.